Hey everyone, BB here. Today is February 20th, 2026, and we're talking about something that's become a part of daily life. YouTube. It's not just a website anymore. It's where we learn, laugh, listen, and connect. YouTube is the world's biggest stage, letting anyone share their story. Back in the day, fame meant movies or TV. Now, anyone with a camera can be a star. The platform has exploded. It's hard to imagine life without it. It's our teacher, our friend, and sometimes our escape. From small villages to big cities, YouTube connects us all. It's not just cat videos anymore. It's a serious business. People build careers here, brands spend crores for your attention, and YouTubers are the new celebrities. Millions are inspired to create, chasing the new dream of YouTube stardom. But as YouTube grows, it gets more complex. It's a global media giant with its own rules and secrets. For newcomers, it can be overwhelming. What you see, the trending page, recommendations, is just the surface. There's a whole world underneath most people never see. Today, let's dive into the untold truth of YouTube in 2026. Ready? Let's go. So, what's really changed? The biggest shift is the hyper-personalization AI. This AI tracks everything: what you watch, replay, skip, even how long you hover on a thumbnail. It creates a content bubble just for you, making YouTube addictive but narrowing your world. You might miss out on new ideas or perspectives without even realizing it. Another secret. YouTube now values community health score over subscribers. Positive, engaged fans matter more than big, silent numbers. The AI also silently sorts videos into tiers. Some go global, some stay local. Some reach only your core fans. Sometimes, great videos get limited reach for reasons only the AI knows. For creators, this is both powerful and frustrating. The platform feels more controlled, and breaking out is harder than ever. These hidden changes shape everything you see and don't see on YouTube. Let's look at how creators are adapting. YouTube's tech in 2026 is wild. Interactive storytelling lets viewers make choices that change the video, like picking the ending of a story or the punchline of a joke. Watching feels like playing a game, making content more engaging. AI-assisted content is everywhere. Tools edit videos, add music, and create virtual backgrounds, helping small creators compete with big studios. Immersive VR and AR are growing fast. With a headset, you can step inside a concert or travel vlog. AR filters add interactive effects, making videos more dynamic. The biggest trend: niche communities. AI connects people with super specific interests. Bollywood music fans, rare plant collectors, you name it. Creators don't need to appeal to everyone. They can build loyal, passionate tribes. Real connection happens in these small, dedicated groups. The YouTube game isn't about going viral. It's about finding your people. But with all this innovation, there are new challenges. Let's talk about playing it safe. With all these changes, YouTube's rules are stricter than ever. The platform wants to be safer and more positive. But for creators, it can feel like walking on eggshells. Emotional responsibility is key. If your video is flagged as emotionally negative, its reach drops, even if you follow all other rules. AI moderates most content now, scanning millions of videos for hate speech or dangerous material. But AI isn't perfect. It can misread jokes or cultural context, leading to unfair takedowns. Comments are cleaner, but sometimes real criticism gets silenced, creating echo chambers. It's a tough balance between safety and free expression. For creators, every word matters. Navigating these rules is part of the new YouTube reality. So, how do you succeed in this world? Is YouTube in 2026 good or bad? It's both. The platform is safer and more professional, with tools that help anyone create high-quality content. But it's also more controlling, and the algorithm can kill creativity. My advice: don't chase trends. Find what you love and be authentic. Your unique voice is your biggest asset. Focus on building a real community, not just big numbers. Talk to your first 100 fans, make them part of your journey. A small, loyal audience is more valuable than a huge, silent one. Be patient, be consistent, and have fun. The journey is long, but if you love what you do, it's worth it. Good luck.